Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not ringing for the incoming calls in 2026. Now, if your iPhone received the calls but there is no sound, a few simple settings might be causing this problem. So here is how you can fix it. So in our step 1, you need to look at the side of your iPhone and make sure that the silent switch is not turned on. If you see an orange line, it simply means that your phone is in the silent mode, which can stop it from ringing. Now in the step 2, you just have to open the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to look for the option of sounds and haptics. When you are inside the sounds and haptics, the first option would be of a ringtone and alerts. So here underneath it, you are going to see this type of slider. So here you just have to make sure that the volume is high enough for you to hear the incoming calls. You can also go to the ringtones section and you can just basically look for some good ringtone and you can set it for your incoming calls. Now you can also look for the focus mode or the do not disturb mode, whether these modes are enabled. So when these two modes are basically enabled on your iPhone, your phone may silence the incoming calls. So in order to manage them, simply come back here in the settings of your device. Over here, go to the control center. In the control center, just make sure that these two modes are turned off. Now, sometimes your iPhone sends the call audio to the connected devices like headphones or the car system. So, if you were using Bluetooth and you have forgotten to use it, just make sure that you basically temporarily disable the Bluetooth and test if the phone rings normally. So, you can try these fixes and see if everything working for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.